love. So, Steve has been cheating on me. Steve! Steve!
Hey, are you okay?
Are you okay? Steve is cheating on me. Huh? You are asking me if I'm okay. So, you've been cheating on me. And you have my love calling you.
I swear to God, I can't cheat on you.
Wow.
I love you alone.
She's actually calling again. I'm going to answer this call right here.
No, babe, I can't cheat on you. I love
Excuse me. Hello?
Hello, baby. Did I miss you this very moment? I'm just imagining you on me. The normal way you scream when I dig you from the back. And you go like, babe, I'm feeling it, good digger. Oh no! The funniest thing you said, I'm better than your boyfriend called Stevie.
Sister, what is this?
It was just a
I'm so ashamed of you. How can you do this? Once you know Brad Stephen will never cheat on you.
I can never ever cheat. Hey, be very. Where did I go? Huh? Where did
You see? When I'm speaking school, that is funny. Hello.
Am I seeing you tonight? Because I really enjoyed you last night. Hmm? Will you come over tonight?
Really? So you've been cheating on me as I said?
Madam, what is that?
You know what? Both of you, I'm so ashamed of you. You guys will just sort yourself out.
Oh, my gracious. Steve, are you gonna cheat?
Sort yourself out.
What do you think you're going? I'm talking to you, you want to walk out on me? Really? After all this I've been giving to you, doing this, doing that.
Shut up. Shut up. You are here behaving as if you are. Hey. Hey.